Hello everyone. So we are back with second video. So today we are going to make a vase, flower vase. Okay, it's very simple, very easy and very interesting. So what you need for this is any size paper, white, because we are going to color it and paint on it. That's why. And any paper which is of no use. Okay, so some wedding cards, craft papers, again some wedding cards, any one. Okay, so these are some options which I'm showing you. You can use any one. Okay, so I'll use this brown one or I'll go with this graph one. Okay, light color. Okay, don't take it too dark, take a light color paper. All right, so like this, as you can see, one is cut out, is already there of this vase. We are going to make another one. Okay, very simple. Any shape of vase will work here. It can be round, it can be quite a bit elongated. Okay, any shape will work here. So first what we are going to do is make one line. Okay, let's make this kind of vase. Freehand, random freehand drawing. Okay, and then we are going to cut it out. So you can take like this graph paper, or you can take any magazine paper or newspaper, anything which is of no use to you. Okay, or anything. Okay, let's cut this out, then we'll start our work. Okay, so now our cutout is ready. Now we're going to paste it anywhere, wherever you want to paste it. It can be on left, right, center, anywhere. Okay, and once you paste it, then you're going to draw. Okay, and you're going to paint this time. Okay, if you are having oil pastels, you can use them, but try to paint. You can use watercolors, poster colors. Okay, you can obviously use your wax crayons and oil pastels and pencil colors, but try not to use them. So we have pasted our vase here, right? I'll show you what your work will look like. Okay, so your work will look like this. So in this one I've taken a quite different shape than this one. Okay, it's a round, it's not round, it's very geometrical. So your vase will look like this. First we have to paste this, and then we'll draw these flowers here. Okay, then we'll do the background, and then we will paint the flowers. Okay, so first step is done. Second step is that you're going to draw your flowers. Okay, with pencil. Right now just use pencil. So first draw the center of the flower. So how many flowers you can adjust here. You can draw as much as possible. 2, 3, let's make one here, 4, 5, and one here, 6. Okay, now you're going to draw them, everything with pencil for now. Okay, so we'll start from left one, a simple one. Let's take very simple. Okay, drawing is very simple, and try to keep it simple. Okay, don't complicate it. And this one with big petals, and try to make this drawing big because you're going to paint it, and if you'll make big drawings, then it will help you in painting too. Okay, so this is the third one. If you want to overlap, you can overlap, otherwise you can leave it. It's kind of a different one. Okay, now again this fourth one is very simple. Again, you want to overlap, you can overlap, otherwise leave it. Okay, now this one, a different shape. Okay, now in this one again we'll make some random shape. Okay, so our flowers are done. Now we'll draw some leaves here. Simple leaves, very simple. Don't elaborate anything, keep everything as simple as possible, because this will help you in painting. Okay, and if you want to use oil pastels, wax crayons, you can sketch it first. Okay, and those who are using paints, please don't sketch it. Sketch it at the end, or if required then only sketch it. Otherwise there is no need to sketch it with black pen or marker if you're using paints. Okay, so our drawing is done. Now we are going to paint it. So I'll be using watercolors here. These are my watercolors. So in watercolors, usually what we use more of water and less of color. Okay, so that's the actual way or method of using watercolors. But in this work, we don't want that transparency. Okay, we don't want any transparency or translucent thing here. We want opaqueness here, because हमारे फ्लावर्स पॉप आउट करने चाहिए वास में से, एंड इवन द बैकग्राउंड शुड लुक सिंपल. सो बैकग्राउंड वी विल मेक इट लिटिल ट्रांसपेरेंट, बट flowers we are not going to touch them. Flowers we are going to touch them of course, but not make them transparent. Okay, so first everything, every circle, every center part yellow, any yellow, chrome yellow, golden yellow, light yellow, dark yellow, lemon yellow, any yellow, whatever your color is. Okay, so this is lemon yellow here and here. Okay, so I'm not using water here. Use water just so that your brush moves smoothly. Okay, that much water is perfect, and your color is wet enough. So we'll start from the top. Okay, so here colors are your choice, of course. You can do whatever color you want to do. So in this one I'm doing crimson, or you can even call it pink. You can use poster colors also, brush pens also, watercolor pencils, okay, sketch pens, anything can be used. Fine. Now we'll add little white in this very particular color, and we'll get a pink tone. Okay, again we're not making it transparent. हम पानी बहुत कम यूज़ करेंगे इसमें, और दूसरा कलर हम तब करेंगे जब हमारा पहला वाला कलर सूख जाएगा. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट we'll wait for this pink one to dry, and then we'll do second layer, this pink. Otherwise if these two color touches, it will smudge. So if you're using less water, it will automatically take less time to get dry. So try to use less water. Okay, so flowers, you are going to color them whatever color you want, and leaves, again take any 3-4 colors of green, shades of green. Okay, this is emerald here, or any light green or dark green. Okay, and keep a rag also with you whenever you paint. This is sap. Flat application of color, and use round brush. Okay, these are round brushes and these are flat brushes. These are flat brushes, these are round brushes. Use round brush. Okay, small size. Now once your flowers are done, okay, all your flowers are done, all your leaves are done, now you're going to take flat brush if you have. Otherwise you can also go with your round brush. Okay, you're going to do the background. So for background, what we are going to do is, we are going to make one line here, one here. Okay, so this is a surface, okay, on which our vase is kept. So how we are going to paint this? With the help of flat brush or big round brush, and take any blue shade. Okay, here I'm using dark blue, so we'll paint with blue. Okay, and little bit of white, and just you have to be very quick in this procedure. Okay, if your color gets dry and when you apply another layer, what happens, you will get a patch here. Okay, but we don't want a patch. Alright, so you have to be very quick. So this is with round brush, and with flat brush application will be flat like this. Okay, blue for this area. This can be transparent. Okay, this can be transparent. And to cover these small areas, take a round brush and cover these small areas, or use a sketch pen. Okay, and for this area, this lower area, this has to be dark. So brown, I'm taking some brown and I'm mixing a little bit of purple in that to get it little dark tone. Okay, so purple you can get by mixing blue and red or crimson. So this will be dark. You can add little black also if you want. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, any part, just message me or call me if you get stuck. Okay, I'll explain you. Otherwise everything is clear in this one. Once your colors are completely dried, okay, once they're completely dried and nothing is wet, just touch it from here. Okay, from this side of your hand, just touch it. Okay, if you feel color, then leave it and let it dry under the fan. Once your work is done, it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. Different colors of leaf. Okay, flowers. So what I have done in this, I have just used some dark sketch pens or dark colors to give some depth in them. Okay, and for this white, I have used whitener. Okay, whitener for this white. Okay, how you're going to use this, just, and I've also added dots with this white. Okay, so I'll just make some dots for you all with the help of this whitener. You can even add some dots in your leaves, okay, if required. So this one I'll add. Alright, so your work will look like this. Different colors of flowers, yellow in each and every center. Add some black outline if required, otherwise leave it. Okay, and try and also make stems also. Okay, so do share your artworks. Okay, and blue color for this, little transparent, or you can even use less water for this. It's your choice. Okay, colors are of your choice, whatever color you want to color here. I've used orange in this, red in this, pink in this, purple, again light purple, dark purple, and I've used all these colors in this one. Okay, so you can do like this also, or you can change the colors. Alright, so I would love to see your artworks very soon, and I hope your artworks turn out really well. Do share the pictures with me with your name and class, and have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much. Bye bye.